So you shut off the funding at the
But would it have worked?
So, no. Probably not. There's like all kinds of slight problems about how far this thing, the kind of the level of power that you need to put into it would have been.
Recuerda que puedes vernos a través de nuestro canal de YouTube y seguirnos a través de nuestras plataformas digitales. Sintoniza N+ Univisión Atlanta, porque ahora somos más.
No te pierdas el programa del abogado de inmigración David Kennedy, este y todos los sábados de 9 a 10 de la mañana. Las consultas en su oficina son gratis.
Smoking, drinking is a way of it. They think that they can take it all from me.
Oh my God!
Hard, they ain't gotta do. Slipping and tripping. Riding his bicycle like that.
Oh my God! He doesn't want you to go there, Javi.
This Corvette coming up through here. He was right behind me and then he just zigged in there. Look at him right here. He's gonna probably come through here. Yep.
What did you use the finger for?
Yeah. Good question there.
Video
You know how to
protected.
drive.
Excuse me. Are you okay?
Long list of things that contain red dye number 3. Okay. So we're getting rid of it. My understanding is that they want to replace it with like food. things like beet juice and stuff like that, which is what they use in a lot of other countries, like the UK and stuff. The FDA has also unveiled a proposal to make cigarettes less.
Do not jump in front of a tractor trailer! You can die!
Kilometers. But this was different. This was continental scale. The researchers mapped out asked a simple question. What kind of source could have affected
God
all of
damn.
The medical school was out.
Go!
Hey, man, that sucker almost got me, Joe.
He sure did.
If I hadn't gotten over it, we'd have met.
Canada gooses crossing the road with their little goslings, their little Canada gooselings. This is adorable. Like, literally adorable, like the most cutest thing I've ever seen. Please don't hit the goose.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover it.